20 knots in the afternoon. Waves 3 to 5 feet, occasionally seas up to The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Kerr County, Blanco County, Gillespie County, Llano County, Northern Kendall County, Western Burnett County, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Valley Spring to near Fredericksburg to near Cypress Creek, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kerrville, Fredericksburg, Marble Falls, Kingsland, Llano, Comfort, Round Mountain, Buchanan Dam, Gainesville, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Johnson City, Meadow Lakes, Buchanan Lake Village, Stonewall, Highland Haven, Kestrel, Field Creek, Inks Lake State Park, and Kerrville Shriner Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station.